Welcome back. This looks very nice. I don't know, it's ultralight, 600 kilos.
Fantasy Air Allegro. The Fantasy Air Allegro is a Czech two-seat, high-wing, tricycle-gear, single-engine monoplane light sport aircraft or microlight originally designed and built by Fantasy Air and later produced in the United States by Allegro LSA. Development, edit. The Allegro has a strut-braced wing constructed from aluminum, with fiberglass wingtips. The 2000 and 2007 variants have a 10:1 aspect ratio wing that tapers outboard of the flaps, while the shorter-winged SW model has non-tapered wings. The wings are equipped with 3-position electrically actuated flaps with positions for 0, 15 and 48 degrees for cruising flight, takeoff and landing respectively on the 2000 model and -4.5. 15 and 48 degrees on the 2007 model. The ailerons are of a differential design. The airfoil is an SM701. The fuselage is constructed from Kevlar reinforced fiberglass with steel tube reinforcement in the cockpit area. The seating is for pilot and passenger in side-by-side configuration, sharing a center-mounted control stick. The landing gear is of tricycle configuration, with curved main gear legs made from fiberglass and a nose wheel mounted on steel tubes with rubber puck shock absorbing. There is also a shock absorbing tail skid mounted under the fin. While the fin is fiberglass, the horizontal stabilizer, elevator and adjustable trim tab mounted as a T-tail are all aluminum. The standard 55L, 15 US gal, fuel tank is mounted under the floor, with wings tanks optional, bringing total capacity to 95L, 25 US gal. Engines available for the 2000 include the 100 HP, 75 kilowatts, Rotax 912 ULS, 80 HP, 60 kilowatts, Rotax 912 UL and the 64 HP, 48 kilowatts, Rotax 582. The 2007 model offers only the Rotax 912 UL and ULS. A glider towing kit is optional, which allows towing gliders up to 500 kilograms, 1,102 pound, gross weight. The design of the Allegro 2000 model has been praised for its aesthetic appeal, good cockpit visibility, light controls, operating economics and value, wide speed range and payload, as well as enjoyable flight characteristics. It has been criticized for its poor ergonomic accommodation for taller pilots and also for poor control harmony, with the elevator controls much lighter than the ailerons, which are in turn much lighter than the rudder pedals. The aircraft can be flown under the microlight /ultralight regulations of several countries, as well as the USA FAA light sport aircraft rules. In Canada, the aircraft can be registered as a basic ultralight or advanced ultralight. Variants, edit. Cora. Original variant first flown in 1995. Allegro 2000. Production variant with tapered wings and gross weight of 1,148 pound, 521 kilograms. Allegro 2000F. Float plane variant, with provisions for full Lotus inflatable floats. Allegro SW. European microlight variant with 3.6 feet, 1.10 m. Shorter rectangular wings to save weight and gross weight limited to 454 kilograms, 1,001 pound. The SW model has a cruise speed that is 6 km, 11 km per hour, slower than the taper-winged models with the same power. Allegro 2007. Improved variant with redesigned doors, 3 in, 7.6 cm, more headroom. Wing dihedral increased to improve the aircraft's handling qualities and gross weight increased to 1,320 pound, 599 kilograms, the maximum in the US LSA category. Allegro LSA. Light sport aircraft variant built in the United States by Allegro LSA of Sanford, North Carolina. This model incorporates a taller cockpit, along with aerodynamic improvements that reduce the amount of rudder needed in a turn. Fuel capacity was increased to 63 liters, 14 gal, 17 US gal. Allegro F. Floatplane version made in the USA by B-Bardi Aviation. Specifications, Allegro 2007, edit. Data from X-Air Australia. General characteristics. 1 crew, 1. 2 capacity, 1 passenger. 3 length, 6.10 m, 20 feet 0 in. 4 wingspan, 10.80 m, 35 feet 5 in. 5 height, 2.10 m, 6 feet 11 in. 6 wing area, 11.4 m, 123 square feet. 7 aspect ratio, 9.51. 8 airfoil, SM 701. 9 empty weight, 275 kilograms, 606 pound. 10 gross weight, 599 kilograms, 1,321 pound. 11 fuel capacity, 63-liter standard tanks, 103-liter long-range tanks. 12 power plant, 1 Rotax 912UL 4-stroke, 4-cylinder aircraft engine, 60 kilowatts, 80 HP. 13 propellers, 3-bladed Woodcomb. Performance. 1 cruise speed, 176 kilometers per hour, 109 miles per hour, 95 kn. 2 stall speed, 65 kilometers per hour, 40 miles per hour, 35 kn. 3 never exceed speed, 219 kilometers per hour, 136 miles per hour, 118 kn. 4 range, 1,300 kilometers, 810 mi, 700 mi. 5 service ceiling, 4,500 m, 14,800 feet. 6 rate of climb, 5.00 m /s, 985 foot /min. References, edit.